Welcome back. Let's do question 7. In the diagram, S, T, and K lie in the same horizontal plane. So if you check the gray part here, this is in the horizontal plane. RS is a vertical tower. So RS is a vertical tower. You can see RS. The angle of depression R to K is beta. We have our angle beta here. Angle TSK. Angle TSK is alpha. Then TS is P meters, and the area of triangle STK is Q meters. Determine the length of SK in terms of P, Q, and alpha. Right, we have P here, we have alpha here, we have Q, which is the area of triangle STK. Let's just highlight triangle STK. And then for triangle STK, we have side P, we have an angle, we're looking for SK. So what situation do we have here? We have an included angle, side, angle, side. We have an included angle. So we can use what? We can use the area rule. We can use the area rule because we are given the area. Okay? So now, using the area rule, we can say that area of triangle STK is equal to half times the side, which is P, times another side, which is SK, and then sine alpha, right? Then we need to find SK in terms of P, Q, and alpha. Area of triangle STK is Q, so Q is equal to 1 over 2 times P times SK times sine alpha. We can multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation. 2Q is equal to P times SK sine alpha. Now we want this as the subject, so we can divide by P sine alpha on both sides of the equation. So SK is equal to 2Q over P sine alpha. Now we have our SK in terms of Q, P, and sine alpha.